It's really our beauty being reflected in the trees, or the trees' beauty reflected in us. That's really what we're sitting here for, to deeply know how beautiful we are, how naturally beautiful we are. We get so confused or enamored or not about the image in the mirror. Yes, there's an image in the mirror, but that image in the mirror is not you. You are not an image. And when we really get that we're not an image, we're not a thought of good or bad, we really know thing. And by sitting in meditation, over time, you will really, from your own experience, find out what that truly means in your experience. No thing. You're no thought, no thing, no feeling, no sensation, no anything, no smell, no sound, no nothing. For the mind, it's hard to get. I sit in meditation, and the first thing I feel is my body, and it's important also to feel our bodies, of course. They're our portal in. It's not about denying our bodies. They're incredibly precious. And there's something deeper that has no form that we need to wake up to. And the more we are awake and have realized that what has no form, which we truly are in the deepest, deepest, deepest sense, we are the mystery, we are beauty. The more we have it realized, or we have just realized it, period, then the body gets imbued by that, filled by that beauty that we are, that has no form, and it's being expressed in form, in every form, including the trees and the leaves and everywhere. It's first good to know our foundation, our source, our truest nature, our truest nature. And not, it's already great to have a sense when you read in a book about it, or you hear somebody talk about it. That's already wonderful. And then we all need to take it inside deeply, 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 till it's being revealed to us in our experience. Because each of our awakening experiences, because first it's an experience, is different. You can read in a book, oh, I want to have that kind of experience, or that's how it's going to look. It's not going to look like that. Will be a surprise. That's also one of the beauties of mystery. Everything is a mystery. It's a surprise. We need to attend. We need to show up. And as my first meditation, we make ourselves accident prone for awakening. And that's what we're doing here. And when awakening has happened for you, which is wonderful, then we're just deepening into that. It's just a deepening process. Then you could say the real rubber hits the road. Because then we know I'm not this thought, this feeling, this body, this, that, or the other. Can I keep on resting as the natural state, as my nature?